So in today's video, we'll see how I sorted my mess for Boya M1 mic. And I think anybody who owns this mic and uses for regular recording indoor or outdoor, this is a typical mess to solve, and it is hard to manage. But I bought this small device, and this device I've shared the link in description. From I bought it from Amazon. Though it looked like a bit uh, costly when I was buying it, but it has turned out to be the most worthy thing to manage the mess, and it's a retractable wire organizer. So I'll just show you what how I use it. I so There's a typical notch, or like there's a cylindrical component in the Boya M1 mic. I took 50% length of the wire. So typically this section of the wire where it attaches to the laptop or the mobile device until the cylinder is having 20 feet length. So what I did, I just went to the center of this, and this was typical center. You can measure it for yourself and measure. And then I took this device, simple box. I'll say it's not a device in fact, and aligned it here in the center, and just close this. Now if you see, right now the is wire is passing through this retractable device, and I started rotating it. It's like any other retractable wire organizer or extension that we use in our day-to-day life, but for the mic, since the wires go messy and it's hard to solve it's even now hard to solve. So I just keep rotating it, keep solving it, and keep rotating it. And if you see, right now I'm struggling with this mess, and this is, I think, the last time I struggled was before I bought this device. And keep doing it till comfortably this wire is getting organized within this device. And I'll just try to sort the remaining wire. So typically when we use the lapel or the Labier mic, what we never use the complete length all the time. It is really a long wire, which can be helpful when you're shooting from a long distance, but normally we don't shoot it from a long distance. So in here I'll try to adjust more inside it, and I have not completely done it. So the box has a capacity. I have not tried to breach the capacity. Now if you see, the wire is kind of sorted, and normally I have just uh, stopped when this is the typical length when I use when I'm sitting in front of any of my device and I'm recording. I'll just try so it has more bandwidth to uh, handle the wire, and when I want, I can extend it. So it has handled all the wire inside it, and normally like any other extension box or retractable wire organizer. And when I want to expand it, this is simply how it expands, and when the work is done. So I use it for indoor and outdoor shooting, and it's really helpful for me. So I hope you will also like this. I've shared the link in description for such organizers. There are other which you can try, and you can leave comment in the comment box that how it worked for you. And yeah, this is how, if you open the box and see, this is how inside it has managed the wire. So it's typically a simple engineering, but it is a lot helpful for people who want to manage their wires. And this device can not only handle this particular mic wire, but it can handle the other wires as well. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Till then, bye bye.